Give me your Honda. What color is it?
Is it red?
Yeah. Do you have like a specific car that's your number one car? And where does this car actually fall in that category?
I'd say in the 4-cylinder league, it's one of the tops.
One of the tops. Kuyata. Yo guys, so this is actually really random. I linked up with Carl Francis, actually back in South Africa, coming to his S2000, and I actually got Bad here, so he's actually going to drive with us now and maybe do a little video. So there's Bad. Yo bro, what do you say, you alright?
Yeah bro, just
Ladies.
in now.
Yeah, put the seatbelt on. So like I said, Bad is gonna go for a quick drive. He's maybe gonna make a short video and add it to a teaser in one of his videos. Stop teasing me! For up and coming full video of the car. So stay tuned for that. guys, so we just filmed a little short video with Vad. We actually went through now this whole conversation as to when you should post it, because I actually want to keep the car secret and show you guys on YouTube first. But please stay tuned for a full video actually with Vad. So go over to his channel and check him out. There's some cool content as well.
And then must remember, this is the first time we're actually vlogging together.
Yes.
The first time was
Remember the
on the cinematic video.
Exactly. So we initially first did a cinematic video and I told him, why doesn't he go over to obviously vlogging, and then from there you started vlogging, and we actually never made a video. We're supposed to make one with the EG, like a full video, etc., but that actually just never happened. Then I also want to know, what's your opinion on the car, Vad? What do you think?
So it's a very well put together build,
Is it?
I must say. Like everything is on its place.
Yeah. I also wanted to know, obviously you drive so many K series and like so many other cars, where does this car actually sit in your, how can I say, in terms of speed or wildness or like craziness? Like I mean, do you have like a specific car that's your number one car, and where does this car actually fall in that category?
I'd say in the 4-cylinder league, it's one of the tops.
One of the tops. Okay, yeah,
Power
shocking.
delivery is perfect.
Yeah, like I was just saying, like as soon as one person gets in the car, you can actually feel the speed and the power obviously decreases. So this car is based more off its lightness.
Exactly.
And then also guys, I might be hitting the track this weekend. I'm not quite sure if Vad is gonna pull through, so you guys must maybe stay tuned for that as well.
Yeah, it's just been off the scene so for 2 months maybe.
Me too. I've also never posted a video since last year. But anyway, catch you guys.
I feel like I can't see you.
you can see you, man. I'm just in the light. But anyway, I'm maybe gonna see how far the old car's car, maybe show you guys what that looks like, or maybe in a future video. But anyway, gonna end it off here. Peace. Yo guys, just arrived at Dane. So here we have a few parts that I supply the customer. A spoon, rear wing, a Type R grille, and then a new front bumper. The reason why we have his stock wing over here is because we're using it to get the color for his car, so we can color match his grille, his fin, and then his bumper. Okay guys, so before we actually start with this bumper, what I recommend is you leave it in the sun. So for example, this will kind of be bent in, but if you heat it up, it will most likely fall into place. So as I've shown you guys before, myself and Dana has assisted a customer of ours to obviously spray a few parts on the car, as well as supply him a few parts. Let me just show you guys what the car looks like. So this is his Civic. We supplied him with the front bumper, Type R grille, Type R lip, sprayed it, as well as the beadings on the car as well. The car sits a little bit high, but don't worry about that. We plan on supplying him with the ARC coilovers as well. And then another few things that we supplied him was these clear fender indicators, and then also just look how clean his car is. Check out how the mileage is. Very clean car. And then we also supplied him with a spoon rear wing, as well as the red badges on the car as well. I would say this car came out very good. So I do want to say a massive thanks to Dane over there, as well as Hussein's. Hussein's is now the company that will be assisting us moving forward with our paint, etc. So I'll leave the information on screen, as well as I'll leave my information on screen if you guys need any parts for your car, as well as spray work. See you, brother. Success then. Yo guys, so in today's video I do plan on going for some quad bike riding in Stellenbosch. The company that is sponsoring us this cool little trip is called FOMO. So I will leave them information in the description as well as a download link for you guys to download. So please download the app and check what other cool deals I have for you guys as well. And then without further ado, let's bust a move. Give me a Honda, and you say that is the Honda 660. Okay, cool. So that's the fastest one. What color is it?
It's red.
Yeah. So these are actually all the bikes over here, and I assume this one is mine, Honda. I just actually arrived here now. It's a pretty cool place. I'll show you guys around. I think it is also a wedding venue as well. We're just waiting for another couple, and then we're going to start with the quad biking. Back brake.
Front brake, accelerator. If you want to start, you just switch on the key. Always charge in neutral. Drive, neutral, reverse.
Reverse, okay.
And the start button.
Start. Okay guys, so we pretty much finished here today. Actually just met one of the waiters at work here as well. Shane, shout out to you, brother. We actually took a picture together. He obviously knows me from YouTube, etc. Took down my number and he mentioned that this place is actually taken over by new ownership, if I'm not mistaken, and they are looking into getting more events here, etc. So in future, don't be surprised to actually see us here more often. But I'm at the end of the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please do like and subscribe, and don't forget to download the FOMO app. Peace.